Friends, good morning. Yesterday we studied about the crop production and management. We studied about crops, then varieties of crops and agricultural practices. See, there are 6 points are there, agricultural practices. In that, preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from the weeds, harvesting and storage. Now we will study about the preparation of soil. Okay, preparation of soil, which is helps for the growth of the plants. This is done by the firstly it is done by earthworms. Earthworms are called friend of farmers because they helps to lose the soil and also they helps to add the humus which enrich the nutrients in the soil. See, the process of loosening and turning of the soil from the plow, hoe and tractor, this process is called tilling or flowing. Understood, students? What is flowing? Flowing, or it is also called tilling. Tilling or flowing means it is the process of loosening and turning of the soil from the plow, hoe and tractor. Okay, just you watch this video.
The preparation of soil is the first step for growing a crop. One of the most important practices in agriculture is turning and loosening the soil. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil and breathe easily. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes easily. These organisms are termed as friends of farmers and add humus to the soil. But why does the soil need to be turned and loosened? Why the farmer doesn't grow his crop directly in the soil? The turning and loosening of the soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that plant can use these nutrients. Thus, turning and loosening of the soil is very important for cultivation of the crops. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. This is done by using equipment called plow.
Just now you watch the video. What you learn from that video? See, there are agricultural implements are there. Agricultural implements means tools or the machines which are used in the agricultural field. For example, we will study about the flow. See, flow is a machine or it is a device. It is used to remove the weeds and turning the soil. Understood? What is flow? Flow is the device which is used to remove the weeds and turning the soil. See, the structure of flow is like this. It is made up of triangular iron strip that is called flow share. And this flow share is connected to the strong wooden rod. And this is connected to the beam. This is also made by the wood. This beam is placed on the bull's neck. Understood, students? This is a device used to remove the weeds and turning the soil. It is made up of triangular iron strip that is called flow share. It is connected to the flow shaft and this is connected to the beam. Beam is placed on the bull's neck. Okay. Now we will study about the another or one more device, that is hoe. Hoe is a device. This is also used to remove the weeds and loosening the soil. Hoe consists of grip, handle, bent plate, rod and team. This device is also pulled by the bulls. Understood, students? This is a device which is used in the agriculture field for the removing of the weeds and for loosening of the soil. Okay?
Agricultural implements used for the preparation of the soil are plough, hoe, cultivator. Let us see how the plough is used first. This is a very old implement used for tilling the soil. It is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals. Another implement that we used for the preparation of soil is a hoe. Hoe is used for loosening the soil and removing weeds. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and works like a blade. It is pulled by animals. Nowadays, ploughing is done by cultivator. Cultivator is driven by a tractor, so requires less of human and animal efforts. The use of cultivator saves labor and time.
Next session we will study in the next